Hey Disney Cruisers, my name is Lynn with the LINmaginaSEAN channel, and I am going to give you a tour of our stateroom here on the Disney Magic. Alright, so our stateroom is on deck 7, aft, port side. So we're on the 7th floor in the back of the ship, and if you're facing forward, we're on the left side of the ship. Let's go ahead and start where the bathrooms are. So one of the things that Disney Cruise Line is famous for are the split baths. So here is the first one. We have a toilet, a sink with ample space, and we also have hand soap there. There is a hairdryer mounted to the wall, and I actually used it already. It got the job done. We also have some shelving here and some hand towels. Down below are some sanitary bags, extra toilet paper, and a towel, and also some tissue. All right, in the other bathroom, we also have another sink and a shower tub. We also have some H2O body lotion, some face soap, plenty of towels. Behind the door are more towels. And then this is what the tub looks like. And we have H2O products in here, so we've got your shampoo, your conditioner, and also a body wash. Across from the bathrooms are where the closets are. So let me slide this first one, and you can see we have our life jackets at the top. We do not need to bring them for the mandatory assembly drill, but just know where they are located. And then we also have access to a safe here to store all of your valuables. We have this laundry bag, and then here is the pricing for the laundry service. So on this list has prices for dry cleaning as well as laundry, or you can save money and do laundry yourself. There are a couple of laundry rooms sprinkled throughout the ship. And then behind this closet are more hangers to hang your stuff. So next to the closet is this beautiful portrait of Walt and Lillian with Mickey Mouse, and they are on a cruise ship, and this is dated in 1934. We've also got some glassware and our Castaway Club gifts. So we have these platinum lanyards, some luggage tags, and then we also have another cooler bag. And then we have lots of drawer space here. Alright, so here is our bedroom. We've got this full-length mirror against the wall, as well as our trash bin and recycling bin. And then we have a queen-size bed here. I love the nautical stripes on here. And we've also got this gorgeous bed runner. As far as outlets go, we have one right behind this telephone here on the left side of the bed. And then this switch is for the lamp. And on the other side of the bed, I believe we have more outlets. Yes, so we have 2 more outlets. And then here's a closer look at the lamp. How pretty is it? I wonder if they're going to update them to include the new ships. So I'm gonna guess that this is the Wonder, this is probably the Magic over in Europe, and then Dream and Fantasy. And I love that both of the castles are represented in this map. Alright, so across from the bed is this awesome artwork of Pirates of the Caribbean. And then we have more storage options, which I think is great. In our other stateroom, we had a TV mounted here, which was lovely, but I'd rather have more storage options. And then underneath the bed is plenty of space for you to store all of your luggage. And we've also got the curtains here. That way you can create separations between the bedroom and this seating area here if you're traveling with other guests. I love the music sheet here of the second star to the right. And then here is our pull down couch, a little table, and across from the seating area is a small TV, and the TV swivels, which is nice. So we'll probably be watching TV from our bed later. And then we've got some storage options. I've already started unpacking a little bit. That's why you see some stuff in there. And then behind this door is where you'll find the fridge. and I believe that there is another hair dryer. Let me see if I can find it. Oh, here we go. So here is a hair dryer, and we also have a heat map, which is great because I love to curl my hair and I want to make sure that I don't ruin this beautiful furniture. There's an ottoman here, so this is a great place to do some work or do your makeup or your hair. And then in this drawer, we've got some postcards and some stationery, as well as the breakfast room service order form. So you just stick this outside of your door, and you want to make sure that you do that before 3 a.m. All right, so it's a rainy day here in New Orleans, but let me show you my favorite part of the stateroom, which is this veranda. So I love this veranda because it's enclosed and it really makes you feel like you have your own private area. We've got nice cushioned seats, and we've got this map here, and we can also see where Castaway Key is at. And then we've got these maritime flags on the other side with a chair. This is what the table looks like. And then, I don't know what these things do. If you guys know what they are, let me know. And then here is what our view looks like right now. It looks like we're still fueling up, so I think that's the fuel tank. But there we go. And if you'd also like to see a concierge stateroom tour, I will leave the link down below. That way you can also check that out. So if you found this video helpful, I hope you decide to stick around and smash on that subscribe button, and also give it a thumbs up because that helps me grow my channel.